This is an exciting day for me. As you know, I've started my retirement quest, and one of the things that I have decided to do is to open an online e-commerce store. And guess what this is? This is the very first sample of something that I've had made. So, as you know, my daughter Amanda is a wonderful artist, and so this is a Mother's Day gift that I made for Karen. And if you like this, you can buy it on my store. So it's great. So I have her. Feels Like Spring was the work that I used, and I put that. It's beautiful flowers that she bought at a farmer's market, and then she created her work with the embroidery, string, and glue, creating the work that I drew from to create this Mother's Day gift. So I hope you like it. This is just the start of a wonderful adventure for me, and I'll put links at my retirement quest for this store.